I turned 36 in just 2 months. And for the third time, I find myself recreating my YouTube page. My name is Barry Green Jr. I'm a writer, a father, and a storyteller. And this time I want to share with you who I am. Not what I want you to see, not what I think would get the most views, just who I am. I am a person that prefers the way things used to be, vinyl records and tactile buttons, and the process and to which you get to your end goal. So I enjoy lighting my cigar slowly. I enjoy making my cup of espresso in the morning. I enjoy cranking up and letting my car warm up on my 27-year-old Volvo V70. The process matters. And I think as I get older, I'm really starting to miss the process. Found myself chasing instant success and microwave results instead of the build-up, the dip, that struggle until you get to where you need to be, or that resistance. Every morning I wake up and I put my coffee beans into my grinder. And initially it's really hard to hand grind. And as you get to the end of the process, there's no resistance left. And I always like to share that moment with my daughter. She's always like, "Daddy, can I help?" And I always let her start at the very beginning, where it's a little bit tougher. She says, "Daddy, I need your help." And right towards the end, I let her finish it off. And I think about my legacy and who I am and what I want to leave behind. And it's a lot like that process. I want to leave behind a way for things to be easier for her. And so going forward, this channel will be sharing what that looks like for me as a 36-year-old father in the city of Charlotte, simply wanting to enjoy the process. That might be unedited videos. It might be wonky audio or lighting, but for me, for now, that doesn't matter. I just want to share with you Barry Green Jr., a dad in the city. And so if you're interested in things that have a process, you prefer minimalism and a guy that has a pretty good taste in music, then follow me. Come along for the journey and share your stories in the comments below, because I'll be sharing mine. Peace.